Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to codingscientist.com. You are watching autonomous bot, a driving or a flying or a crawling. Actually, you know what? This particular project, what we are going to build, you can make it to run on the ground, fly on the sky, or even on the sea, because that is the power of the microcontroller which we are going to use, which is Pixhawk and Autopilot. So anyways, that's the next lesson. So guys, I'm going to show you what a boom means. So basically, in drone, the shorter the booms, which basically increases the maneuverability, right? So that increases the overall movement in a smooth way. While the longer the booms you have, it increases the stability of your drone bot, right? It's going to be very stable without any vibration and shakes and kind of thing. So I would suggest go for a longer boom. So boom is nothing but it's an arm which is going to hold your motors in all the directions, right? It can be your four arm or six arm or eight arm, whichever you decide to go. So booms must be tough to hold up in a crash. It should be very strong and thick. That doesn't mean that you use a strong steel, aluminiums and stuff like that. Go ahead with a 3D printed one or a carbon fiber one, which is good enough to start with, while interfering with your propellers, downdraft as little as possible. In many drones, the boom is part of the main important body, right? Other drones have a definite boom as a separate part. However, most of the brooms have, central cross broom, like the one you can see in the picture. That is part of the kit which I'm going to build and show it to you. So make sure, examine and ensure that the boom has not become bent, as this would affect the flying capabilities. Make sure that when you unpack from your package, it's not bent or something like that. It has to be absolutely straight, absolutely like a scale. It has to be straight. If it is bent slightly, I would suggest replace it. Go ahead and give it back and get the perfect one. So it's a very important piece to make sure that you have the right level of boom, and make sure that you get the right components, guys. I will come back to you soon in the next component. Goodbye.